This is going to be a video tutorial on how to convert a PDF into an image using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Let me jump over to Acrobat here. Okay, I have a little example PDF opened up here in Acrobat. The PDF that I have here, it is actually, if you look up top here, it is a 12-page PDF. You could do this with a one-page PDF, or it doesn't matter how many pages you have. Each page that you have will be converted to an image. The way to do that, you want to go up to the upper left-hand corner to where it says File. You want to click on File. Then you want to go down to where it says Save As and click on that. Now in the dialog box that opens up, you want to select the location on your computer that you want to save this. You want to save these images. I have created a folder named PDF Images. I'm going to click on that. Then in this next dialog box, down where it says Save As Type, you want to click that. And then you can scroll down and you can see right here is a JPEG and right down here is a PNG. I'm going to save mine as PNGs. And then you just click on Save. It will take it a few seconds to save all of it. Then I'm going to open the folder that I just saved this to, and now I have 12 images here. There's one. I'll click the little arrow over here. That is how you convert a PDF into images. Thanks for watching.